Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. Stock number is A6435A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Chrome bumper and grille add a sharp feel. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with BF Goodrich tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up and becomes an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look at the bed, GM bed liner here, as well as the soft cover. Those are going to keep the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.